What is up, everybody? As you guys know, we're rolling out new products over at the Beer Struggle today, and one of those being the new single blade safety razor. This is a new single blade safety razor brought to you by the Beer Struggle, and this thing is sick. Check it out. You have the new single blade razor with the Beer Struggle logo on the front. This thing is a nice gunmetal color to it. It's very heavy. It's got a nice weight to it, so it's full metal. It also comes with its own stand. They also include some razor blades. This is the double edge razor blades, so you're pretty much ready to start shaving as soon as you get it. Speaking of shaving, we know some people don't actually know how to use one of these, so we're gonna show you guys how right now. So obviously I'm not gonna shave my beard, but what I am gonna shave is my leg, which I have a really cool tattoo that is hidden in hair. Bow! So we're gonna show you how to use the new single blade safety razor from the Beer Struggle using my leg for demonstration purposes. So of course, grab your pre-shave oil and apply it to the area in which you are about to shave. Now that it's nicely applied, all we're gonna do is grab our razor. We're just gonna put it on the skin and we're just gonna let it fall down. And go. And that's not going against the hair, which you normally do, but look at that. This razor is amazing. If you've never used one, do be careful because this is extremely sharp. I found that out. But it's an awesome razor, now available over at thebeerstruggle.com. Go get yourself one, or be careful. It's sharp, but enjoy.